Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So you already know what's in here. Before I begin, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the future videos. And it really does help the channel grow and helps me stay motivated to create more videos for you. So you already know what's in this box, and I'm personally really excited for showing you this. And there's a reason why I showed you this box is because I'm really impressed with how Apple ships their products, but also their packaging involved in the shipment process. So now that's not how they actually delivered the box. Obviously I had to remove the shipping package because a shipping label, because my actual address is on here, and it's just for safety reasons. But let's actually open this up and see how they've actually packaged this. And then obviously let's do the unboxing. And I'm actually going to pair it with my iPhone 8 Plus. Okay, so here we have it, the AirPods Pro. I personally think that these are one of the best accessories you can buy for somebody who owns basically any Apple product, whether it's an iPhone, a MacBook, an iPad. They pair well with all of the Apple devices, and they obviously do have a bit of a benefit if you are kind of working with the Apple ecosystem. And just some of the actual features that are available on the AirPods Pro. But what we're here to do is actually unbox this. So let's get started. Overall, pretty nice design, just what they look like here. And I think this is the actual size as well. At the top, it says AirPods Pro with the wireless charging case. Now, these ones are going to be a little bit special to me because I did get them engraved. So they did take a little bit longer to ship out to me because I wasn't able to pick these ones up from my local Apple store. I actually had to order them specially off the Apple website, and they ship from China itself. So if you are planning on doing the free engraving, you will have to get it shipped out of China. But let's see this. Now I'm a little bit curious, and if you have any experience with these personalized engraved products, the question I have for you is if there's any issues with the product and you kind of have to go through Apple Care, do they give you a personalized engraved replacement, or is it just any other replacement? I'll make sure to answer that in the review. And as we're going along, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about the AirPods, because I will be doing a very detailed review on this because I'll be using this every day. And any questions on the review, let me know in the comment section. But let's open this up. We have a simple tab over here. All we're going to do is simply go like this. And just like traditional Apple products, designed in California. And here we go. That personalized AirPods Pro with my name. I just wanted to get my name on there. You can do a bunch of things. I think it's approximately the characters of my name. So there's 12 letters plus a space. So 13 letters you can engrave. You actually have the option to actually engrave emojis on there too, if that is something that you're interested in. So I'll take this out. Leave this now for like this, and then we'll take this out, and then we get a simple USB-C to Lightning port, which is really interesting because I did just pay for a USB-C to a Lightning port a couple months back, so that kind of sucks, but I probably won't be needing these anymore. So, and I'll get into this in a second, and then that's pretty much it out of the box. That's all you get. So what you have over here, it's pretty interesting. So these are actually the extra earpieces as we're used to, but these are actually silicone tips, and they're proprietary to the AirPods Pro. So what's going to happen is once you put on the AirPods, you're going to have to go through the setup on your either iPhone, MacBook, and what's going to happen is it's going to check for your measurement to see which tip works best, if it's small, medium, or large, and then you can choose it. But the interesting thing is, and you should not throw these away, is the tips themselves. They're proprietary, so if you buy secondhand tips, there's a chance that the AirPods might not recognize it, and which could cause problems to your AirPods, saying that it's not a proper fit or there's music leaking out. So I'll put this here. And the main thing that we're waiting for is this, the personalized engraved product. Let me just take a quick picture for the Instagram. And if you haven't followed me already, make sure you follow me. I'll leave my link for Instagram as Twitter down below over here for you to take a look at and follow me on there. So let's open this up. And obviously this is a very premium packaging from Apple. And Apple is always perfect when it comes to those packaging. Hopefully that's a little bit better. So you can see how the engraving is done. I actually want to see how long this engraving lasts. For those who have actually gotten their products engraved, let me know in the comment section. Does it last for a very long time, or is it prone to getting like scratched off, or is it easily able to come off with like a nail polish remover or something? Okay, so overall the front, you have, obviously it has my name. If you get it from the store, you won't have anything there. You have a little light indicator over here which tells you if it's charging, if it has been paired with the device. Okay, at the back you have a button to pair your AirPods with an Android device, because if you open these next to an Android device, they won't have that easy pairing system that we'll see on my iPhone 8 Plus. So at the bottom, what you have here is your Lightning port. It's not a USB-C, it kind of sucks. I wish they did do a USB-C, but we can only hope for the next version. Overall design, it's pretty comfortable, and I'm comparing it to the OnePlus Buds. Obviously the OnePlus Buds are in a different class of their own. The OnePlus Buds are for, $75 US and $100 Canadian. This over here, the AirPods Pro, it's $245 US dollars and $299 Canadian dollars. So different class. Obviously there's going to be a huge difference when it comes to the audio quality as well, but what we're looking at is just the case. It's very similar, a little bit, I guess you can call it like a little bit thicker, and very similar design to the OnePlus Buds case. I don't know why people were complaining about this case, that is being a little bit too big from probably the previous generation, which makes sense, but personally for me, I don't find it that big. So here is the Galaxy Buds case, so you can see how much of a huge difference it is between the Galaxy Buds and the AirPods Pro. And let me clean up for the pairing. Okay, so here we go. And what I'm actually been doing is I'm actually going to be pairing up with my iPhone 8 Plus. I'm so used to calling it the OnePlus 8. I don't know why. But the second you open this up, it should pair with your iPhone. The animation is going to come up. So let's check this out. And boom. There you go. It's that simple. All you got to do is press connect. I'll bring it up here so you can take a look and see how easy it is to pair. You just press connect, connecting, and that's it. So media controls, you can either press either side to press and play, pause and play. And with these controls, you can later on change in the settings as well. And announce messages, sure, continue. So as of right now, they weren't properly charged. The case was at 75%. They never charge it to 100%, which is completely fine. But there's a difference between the left and right. So the left one is at 58%. The right one is at 45%. So press done, and that's it. So they're connected and they're good to go. So that was pretty much it for this really quick unboxing of these AirPods. And let me take it out. So once you take it out, these are it. These are the AirPods Pro. I'm actually going to be wearing these and doing a full-on review with these and seeing what the big difference is and what the big hype is about. I obviously know that there's going to be a huge change in the audio quality coming from the OnePlus Buds and even some of the other headphones. But I've been hearing that these are super comfortable if you are wearing it for a very long time. And let's test it out. So let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about the AirPods Pro, what you want to know in the review. So that's going to be coming up. And thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and share this video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.